Hello friends, myself Mitesh Ajit Save and my presentation topic is mergers and acquisition for the subject of strategic management. What is merger? Strategic tools in the hand of management to achieve greater efficiency by exploiting synergies arrangement whereby two or more existing companies combine into one company. Shareholders of the transferor company received shares in the merged company in exchange for the shares held by them in the transferor company as per the agreed exchange ratio. Different types of merger. Horizontal merger. This kind of merger exists between two companies who compete in the same industry segment. A vertical merger. Vertical merger is a kind in which two or more companies in the same industry but in different fields combine together in business. Cogeneric mergers. Cogeneric merger is a kind in which two or more companies in association or some way or the other related to the production process, business market or basic required technologies. Conglomerate mergers. Conglomerate mergers is a kind of ver- uh, venture in which two or more companies belonging to different industrial sectors combine their operations. Advantages of merger. The first does not require cash, accomplished tax-free for both parties, lets the target realize the appreciation potential of the merger's entirety instead of being limited to sales proceeds, allow shareholders of smaller entities to own a smaller piece of a large piece, increasing their overall net worth. Merger of a privately held company into a publicly held company allows the target company shareholder to receive a public company stock, allows the acquirer to avoid many of the costly and time consuming aspects of asset purchase such as the assignment of leases and bulk sale notification. Reason for merger. First, entry strategy, mutual benefit, maximizing point, expansion of business, economics of scale, increase market share, cost optimization, diversification risk, goodwill, product improvement, interest, etc. What is acquisition? Acquisition essentially means to acquire or to take over. Here, a bigger company will take over the shares and assets of the smaller company. Different types of acquisition. Friendly acquisition. Both the companies approve of the acquisition under friendly terms. Reverse acquisition. A private company take over a public company. Backflip acquisition. A very rare case of acquisition in which the purchasing company become a subsidiary of the purchase company. Holistic acquisition. Here, as the name suggests, the entire process is done by force. Reason for acquisition: industry consolidation. Tactical move that enables a company to reposition itself into a stronger operational and competitive industry position, improve competitive position, reduce competition, and allow the combined firm to use its resources more efficiently. Defensive move, attractive tractor move in any economic environment, particularly in a cyclical downturn where a merger can be a strong defensive move. Mergers allowing two companies to work more efficiently than other would separately. Market business product line issue, whether the market is new product or business line or a geographical region market in exit or Expansion is a powerful reason for a merger. Acquire resources and skills to obtain access to the resources of another company or to combine the resources of the two companies. Merger and acquisition process, preliminary assessment or business valuation. In this process of assessment, not only the current financial performance of the company is examined, but also the estimated future market value is considered. Pace of proposal, after complete analysis and review of the target firm market performance in the second step, the proposal for merger or acquisition is given a multiple situation. Exit plan, when the owners decide to exit the target firm, the structure is decided and proposed to the potential situator. Structure marketing, after finalizing the exit plan, the target firm gets involved in the marketing process and try to achieve a highest selling price. Stage of integration, in this final stage, the two firms are integrated. Those merger and acquisition. Motivations of merger and acquisition, greater value generation. Merger and acquisition generally success in generation cost efficiency dose the implementation of economy of scale. It is expected that the shareholders value of a firm after managers or acquisition. Gaining cost efficiency, when two companies come together by merger or acquisition, the joint company benefits in terms of cost efficiency as the two firms from a new and bigger company. The production is done on much large scale. Increase in market share, and increase in market share is one of the benefit of merger and acquisition. Gain higher competitiveness, the new firm is usually more cost efficiency and competition as compared to its financially weak and organization. Impact of mergers and acquisition, employees. Mergers and acquisition impact the employees or the workers the most. It is a well known fact that whenever there is a merger or an acquisition, there are bound to be layoffs. Impact of mergers and acquisition on top level management. Impact of mergers and acquisition on top level management may actually involve a clash of the eggs. There might be variations in the culture of the two organizations. Shareholders of the acquired firm. The shareholders of the acquired company benefit the most. The reason behind it is seen in majority of the cases that the acquiring company usually pay a little is excess that it what should. Shareholders of the acquiring firm, they are most affected if we measure the benefit enjoyed by the shareholders of the acquired company in degree, the degree to which they were benefits by the same degree these shareholders are harmed. Thank you.